In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI on your laptop or PC. If you've been intrigued by AI technology and want to explore what Meta AI has to offer, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure that by the end of this video, you'll be comfortable navigating and using Meta AI from your computer. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by opening up a web browser on your PC. Whether you're a fan of Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser, simply open it up and type in meta.ai in the address bar. If you prefer an even more direct approach, you might consider downloading the Meta AI app specifically designed for PC. It's a great little tool that streamlines your interaction with the AI on your desktop. Once you've arrived at the Meta AI website or opened your app, we'll move on to the next essential step. Now, it's time to sign in. To use Meta AI, you need to sign in with your Meta or Facebook account. This is a straightforward process if you're already logged into Facebook on your browser. Just follow the prompts to grant access and you'll be all set. If you're not logged in, you'll need your email and password handy. Don't worry, this process is secure and necessary to personalize your AI experience. With that out of the way, you're now ready to start interacting with Meta AI. In front of you, there will be a chat box. This is your gateway to the AI's capabilities. All you need to do is type your question or the prompt you have in mind. This could be anything from asking for information to requesting advice on a particular topic. Once you've entered your question, simply press enter and Meta AI will start processing your query. If you're feeling a bit creative and would like to generate some images, Meta AI has a nifty feature for that. Simply type imagine followed by a description of the image you envision. This function is powerful and flexible, allowing you to articulate your idea in detail. Once you submit, the AI will work its magic and generate images based on your description. Finally, you've got your responses or images. What's next? You can easily view, download, or save these responses for later reference. It's all about how you want to use them. Whether you're gathering information for a project or simply curious to see what the AI can do, saving these interactions can be incredibly useful. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've unlocked the potential of Meta AI on your laptop or PC. Whether you're using it for practical daily tasks, educational purposes, or just exploring the boundaries of technology, Meta AI is a versatile tool at your fingertips. Thanks for watching and have fun exploring the capabilities of this incredible AI.